You searched how to buy shares of GRENKE AG. GRENKE AG is a German leasing and financing company for office and IT equipment listed on Xetra under the ticker GLJ.de. This is an educational overview and not financial advice. Do your own research before making any investment decisions. To buy GRENKE stock, you need a broker account, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually by uploading an ID, and then add funds to your account to be able to place a purchase. Use the platform search box and type the ticker GLJ.de to find GRENKE AG. Select the listing that shows Xetra as the exchange to ensure you have the correct share. On the asset page, check the company overview and the price chart to confirm identity and recent trading context. Verify the page clearly shows GRENKE AG with the GLJ.de ticker on Xetra before proceeding. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then review the order details carefully before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued as pending, and if you don't have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. After execution, your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For the eToro example and the link to the platform, check the description below.